Hello students, I Nitu Srivastav once again appear before you in online class where I am going to discuss copywork in EVS chapter number 2, Our Body. As you know that children, in previous videos I have shown you some instruction while you do work in copy. So let's see one more time this instruction and you follow it properly. Instruction number 1, copy should be covered properly. Second, paging should be completed. Third, use pointed pencil. And the last one, use good quality of pencil, eraser and sharpener. Before starting chapter number 2 copy work, I want to show one more time EVS copy. See children, in this copy you are seeing right side 4 line is given and left side white blank page. After seeing this copy, you have to select this English interleaf copy for EVS. Then cover your copy and label like this. Write your name. Standard means class. Here you will write class 2. Division means section. Section, children, you will write according to your section. Roll number you will get. Leave this part. Subject EVS. And last one, school name. Right? Divine Public School. After completing all these particulars, you will start lesson number 2 copy work. Here you see children, in EVS copy means English interleaf copy, you always remember one thing: whenever you want to write something, use only right side pages. Left side page you will use for draw something or any picture presentation. Then start. First and second row children you will use and draw one first horizontal line, then second horizontal line. Then left side in the corner you will use first and second row and draw one standing line and write the spelling of date, D-A-T-E, date. Right side children you will use first and second row and draw one more standing line, and in the corner you will write C.W means class work. After completing this part children, you will come in mid of the first row line. Here I have written the spelling of lesson LESSO and lesson number 2. Then afterward you will write the name of the chapter, Our Body. While writing the name of the chapter, our O will be capital and body B will be capital. Then leave one line and start writing from fourth line. And here we will write the spelling of difficult words. D will be capital and difficult spelling, and words in W will be capital. Then start difficult words. Here I have started difficult words with the 5 words I have taken from the book. See children, this way you have to make the format. In mid of the page you will draw one standing line like this. Then write each word 4 times. Here first word is organ. O-R-G-A-N. See here I have written 4 times. Second word is elbow. E-L-B-O-W. You have to write 4 times. Then third word is internal. I-N-T-E-R-N-A-L. Internal. You will write 4 times. Then remaining part of the difficult word we will continue in the next page. Here you see children, fourth word external. E-X-T-E-R-N-A-L. I have written 4 times. Then fifth word sense. S-E-N-S-E. Sense. I have written 4 times this also. This way children difficult word will complete. Then again you will leave one line. Then start second part, question answer. Children, when you write the spelling of question and answer, question Q will be capital and answer N will be capital. Then leave one more line. Then start question number 1. What is an organ? After completing this question sentence, you will put question mark. Answer is, each part of our body that carries out a particular function is known as an organ. This way question number 1 complete. Let's start question number 2. How many types of organs are there in our body? Name them. Here you will put full stop. There are 3 types of organ in our body. They are sense organ, second is external organ, third is internal organ. This way question number 2 answer is complete. Go to the next answer, question number 3. What are sense organ? Write their names. The answer is, the parts of the body that help us to feel and sense things around us are known as sense organ. Their names are nose, eyes, ears, skin and tongue. This way question number 3 is also completed. That let's start. Next question is activity question. This activity question is very interesting, children. Here you will draw and color any one internal organ and label it. Children, ma'am has taught you in the previous part about internal organ. You know very well. Then you will write this question, and just in front of this question means left side you will draw the picture of internal organ. See here I am showing you. Upside you write the spelling of activity ACTIVITY activity. Then downside you will draw the picture of one internal organ. Children, you can take the picture from book or you can take the help of internet, and then you will draw and color it like this and write the name of the part also. This way children, copy work of lesson 2 has completed. Except this classwork, children, I have given you few homework. Let's see what is the homework. Here you see I have already drawn one headline. Like this you will draw and start with the question number first. Give answer in one word. Here you children, if you read the lesson properly, you will answer it nicely. First question, can we see our internal organ? This children question you know very well. Same pattern you have to write as I am showing you the page, and write the answer in one word. Here you will write the answer question number A. Then start with the question number B. Name any one internal organ. You know the answer of this question very well, children. That's good. Go to the question number C. With which organ do we pick up a pencil? You know the answer, children. Very nice, children. If you read the lesson, you will answer it easily. Then go to the question number D. How many sense organs do we have? You know the answer to this question also. So children, after completing classwork and homework, your work is you will send all this work in convert into PDF file and send to student link soon as possible. Till then children, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.